everyone, this is Anju and welcome to my channel. Next Sunday is Mother's Day. So in this week's video, I have made 3 DIYs you can gift your mom for the Mother's Day. These are very quick and easy, and also you don't have to run down to the store to buy new material because you can use whatever is laying around in your house. And now, let's get to the routine part. Please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like and share. And now, let's get to the fun part, the DIYs. Let's do it.
In the first craft, I have used lids of 3 different jars and there are different sizes as well. I packed the open side of the lid with the cardboard and then I painted the lids of 3 different colors. I made every lid look different. One has message on it, the second one has painting, and the third one I did decoupage. These are just the ideas, but of course you can make the lids look however you like. And now I applied varnish on all 3 painted lids. I didn't say what I was making, but I'm sure you guessed it right. I was making magnets. And here are my adorable magnets. In the second craft, I have used a rectangle of a cardboard and I stuck masking tape on the edges of the cardboard. And then I painted it white first to make it workable, and then I painted it black. I have painted a house because it goes with the saying, but if you want, you can put a picture instead. To display my board, I needed a stand, so I made it out of cardboard. I stuck masking tape on the edges of the stand to make it look smoother, and then I painted it gold. And here's the final look. The board is on the stand. I hope you like it. For the third craft, I have used 3 pieces of cardboard. Those are rectangles of the cardboard, and I've painted them to make them look like wood. I usually use shades of brown and also black and white color to make the surface look like wood. You can see that I have written words with the pencil on the pieces of cardboard because I was going to paint them later, but I didn't want to mess it up, so I wrote them with the pencil first. Here I used craft sticks pieces to join the cardboards together. Here I stuck a piece of string to mount this craft on the wall. And this is how it looks at the end. Magnificent, outstanding, multi-talented mom.